Hi, this is Rohini, Diploma of Hospitality Management Counselor of Arvan Global. Today we have Dr. Rajalakshmi ma'am, Principal of Gautami Junior and PG colleges, and she also have a experience of soft skills, English and communication language trainee for students, and also author of 4 books and also motivational speakers. So let's talk to her. Hi, ma'am.
Hi,
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thanks for inviting me, and I believe that we'll have a good time and discussion on things where I can give my insights and inputs to you.
Definitely, ma'am. So, ma'am, I know like you have a vast experience. You have 9 years experience in educational field. So, can you tell? Like you already know, we have started Diploma of Hospitality Management course. So, can you tell what is your opinion on this program?
Being there for 9 years in education, and since I'm also studying till date, I can say that the hospitality industry, what you are trying to planning, is very good step. Because nowadays we can see a lot of competition in different industries, but
Yes.
the hospitality industry is one where there is a need and want for a good employee, a person who can serve, give hospitality, give assurance, and build a good relationship. So hospitality industry, I believe that there is a good amount of income, good amount of opportunities, and good amount of international exposure to the students who
Yes.
are willing to learn and change their life.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And as you said, we have industries like hospitality industry, educational industry, film industry, and all. So, can you tell more about hospitality industry? Look, like you must be seeing day to day life. So, what is the difference, and what do you find more interesting in hospitality industry?
You can see hospitality everywhere.
That's true.
Where is the place you can say that there is no hospitality?
Yes.
All over the world. Don't talk about only one country.
Yes, true.
Let us see, if you go to a airport, or you're going to a railway station, you're going to a hotel, you're going to a lodge, you're going to a hospital, or anywhere, there is a mandatory need of a person who is in the front office, who is
Yes.
receiving people, writing, noting down their details, and respecting them with warmth. That's why the customer come back to the place.
True.
So in hotel industry, I could say that this is the world's topest industry.
True, ma'am.
Most of the hotels are only good because there are so many employees who have good knowledge about, and good knowledge about doing services to the people, and with lot of experience, they are going out of that industry and getting good name.
Yes.
And they are opening their own industries as well. Wherever you go on road, you can see many hotels, restaurants.
Yes.
And they are giving a footmark to the most of the people. So yes, I agree with the words whatever is there, but a good suggestion from my end is those students who are willing to do it, they should have a mindset that they are going to win, and they are going to get great opportunities.
Yes.
If they have good dedication and focus on their
True. So, like you mean to say, hospitality industry not a small industry. It has a vast
Vast.
opportunities where students can grab, right? Yes. So, like we are talking more about hospitality industry. So, comparatively, India and abroad. So, students who are planning for overseas educations in terms of lifestyle or communication, or what you will be suggesting for the students who are planning for overseas education.
See, anyhow, getting an exposure, or getting an opportunity to work overseas is I can say that is a best opportunity to the people who are into the hospitality industry.
Yes.
Because whenever you carry forward with your resume, you will feel proud of it that you have a good exposure towards the overseas education, and R1 is giving that opportunity, I
True.
believe. And The next question was the next point you
Like
asked
what
about.
life in terms of
Yeah,
lifestyle.
communication plays very important role. Anyhow, we know that a person who has a very good communication will be always in the topmost list. Like we have our HRs in our industry, we can see that they are very good at communication. Then only they are called as HRs.
Yes.
Leaders also are only leaders because they have very good communication skills.
True.
And hospitality industry is indirectly or directly connected with communications. As a communication teacher, I could say this, that even if you go to any workplace, any profession, your communication is one step which can make you from 0 to 100.
True. Word to word, person to person, everything comes under communication.
Communication.
And hospitality industry or hotel, people need to be communicated in daily
People
basis.
need to trust you.
Yes.
And to build a trust is a magical thing. It's
True.
a magical thing that you should bring a smile on the face of people. You should bring a belief on you. So the communication plays very important role.
True. So one more thing, like if a student is planning for overseas education, so what type of lifestyle he need to maintain and what type of time management he need to be followed, or the kind of thing you want to tell about student?
I could only suggest the student that if they want to have an overseas experience, they should be well disciplined, and they should be well groomed about their lifestyle, because whenever you go for any higher qualification, the major thing people will be focusing on your grooming, your behavior, your communication,
Yes.
and your listening skills. So LSRW can be said, and I believe that R1 is going with IELTS,
Yes, true.
GRE, and PT,
PT courses.
So these courses are really supporting those students, because most of the hospitality industry I have checked and seen that they are giving certification to them, but you are giving a basement to them.
True. And moreover, if we talk about this particular point about student, we can also cautious the student to pick the right path to opt this program and anything. So nowadays we can see students will face so many problems opting some recruitment or
Yes.
team consultancy team, right? So what kind of guidelines you will provide for the students in this point?
In this point, I could say whenever a student is going for a job opportunity, or he's going for an interview, for example, I'm telling you, the major thing he has to focus is that the presence of him in the interview. The presence means most of the people will be absent with that. What is their actual, we can say, aim or motto, or what do we say, pitching the point. So it should be clear into their mind. And preparation before going for anything is mandatory. Even though if we go for any interview, or if you're going for any course, you have to have a clear vision that what kind of thing you are going to achieve first. So supervision and consistency towards your work, and a very clear idea that what
Yes.
is your aim, or what is your target to
True.
achieve should be clear in the mindset of a child.
Exactly. And moreover, practice also, practice make man perfect. So studying same subject or same topic and revising it.
So discipline is
Discipline,
important.
yeah, true. So we in this course we have also providing a mock interview sessions for the students. So student will be having a confidence to face the interview.
Yes.
So right. So in this, I wanted to ask, what kind of guidelines do you provide for the students who are planning to take hospitality industry as a career path?
See, hospitality itself represents that you should have a good communication, you should have a good heart, first of all, and you should have a good respect towards the people who are there. If you have no respect toward the work, then it's not going to be pointed out. So, my suggestion to the student is whenever you are going to choose something, first you understand what is the importance of it, and second you understand that how it can help you, and it makes you perfect. And I believe that the industry, whatever you are planning to, will be a very great opportunity to the people who
Yes.
are not willing to work only on the basis of machinery. But if you want to enjoy the work, if you want to have a good exposure towards the world, and also if you want to meet new people or
True.
have a good relationships with them, then it works.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your valuable information is really, informative, and it's really good to talk with you today. And
Same.
it's honor to meet you today, ma'am. And hopefully, we'll plan more sessions like this to provide more information for the students about hospitality industry and all. And you can give your knowledge on this for the students. And once again, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thanks to Arvan inviting me, and thanks for my audience. You have listened those words what I have told you. Anyhow, have a clear vision that what you're going to work with, and learn communications, and be good, disciplined for yourself first. Thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.